How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can open up your Google Games first, your Play Store first in your Android device. And once you are there, you can go ahead and locate up the account that you are linked. So first of all, go to the tap on your profile at the top right and locate which is the account that you're using in your Play Store right now. Once you do that, you can go ahead and close your Google Play Store app and open this application called Play Games. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So make sure you are logged in with the same account that you use in your Google Play, same Google account. Once you've done that, you can head over to the top three dot at the right and open up the settings. After opening up the settings, you should be finding this option called your data here. So go to change account for games, and when you go over here, make sure your default account is the same Gmail account that you used in your Google Play Store. So if it is not, you can tap on this change and switch up to the next account, and that will automatically sign you up into games, save your game progress, and save your settings. So that is how you basically transfer your Google Play Games into Game Center. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.